to use Meta AI on WhatsApp. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can use Meta AI in WhatsApp. So all you have to do is, first of all, you have to go to your Play Store, and then you will have to search for the WhatsApp, and you can simply have to install your app. Once you have done installation, you have to open your WhatsApp application, and you can simply have to tap right here Meta AI. You can see that there is a Meta AI option, so I selected this option. Once you have done this, you have to search anything from this. So let me search anything. Let me type how to use Meta AI, and after that I can simply tap right here on the send button. Once I have done this, Meta AI give me reply that how I can use Meta AI. So you can see that it's very simple and easy. Hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.